Good evening, guys. Welcome to my channel. This is Tay Thurman 96. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment to my channel, and I'll be looking forward to you guys' comments and be able to answer y'all both. Today here, I will be giving y'all a tour of my 1975 Caprice convertible. Start by here. I have new emblems on the car. All the emblems, tags, everything is pretty much new. This car has been freshly rebuilt. New hubcaps has been on this vehicle. I put new Vogue tires on it as well. The 400 engine emblem and the new Caprice emblem as well. Here I have all of the Sandman jewelry. What's a Donk without the Sandman jewelry? Here you will see I have my name in the seatbelt covers. Yeah, get all that good stuff. New carpet. Pretty much this whole car is a brand new rebuild. I have the Sandman emblem and I also have my name up in the door locks. Everything from Sandman. New Sandman pedals in here, as you can see. I also have new weather stripping, new seats. I mean, the car is completely one of a kind and it's new. I also have a brand new dash pad, a brand new lights, everything by Sandman, and also have the Sandman emblem on my interior. A lot of you guys may say, why do you like this car so much? This is my pride and joy. I always wanted a 1975 Caprice convertible, and I was fortunate enough to be able to buy one from an older gentleman in Meridian, Mississippi. The 75 is my favorite. It just have the power windows. It have all the key features that I like, and I redid this total vehicle all over again. And some other key features I like about the 75 is, the 75 is one of the gears that came with all the power options, like the power windows, power seats, power top. And when I purchased this vehicle, one thing that stole me away was the guy had a lot of documentation to go with this car. I'm gonna get it somewhere. He had brochures and stuff from 1975 that came with the car. I think I have some more stuff in here. He had a lot of stuff, the original sales sticker, and things in that nature that really stole my heart to me wanting to buy this vehicle. Now, as you can see, I also replaced this new Fisher sign here. A lot of little details that I've done to this car that I just had to do because it's just me. I'm a neat pick, and I really like my things to be neat in my vehicles. And look at those doors. I told her bye, y'all. See how good she closed. That's what that money do, y'all. Here you guys will see the car may be a little dusty because she sit up under the garage a lot, but trust me, she's a true breeder once she's washed. I have the Sandman mirror here, as you can see, and I have my name with the Tay 75 Caprice up in the inside. Yes, they have to know it's me when they see the car, and it's my pride and joy in my creation. I also have the Sandman vent here under the hood. I'm gonna get you guys more of a vivid, clear detail here in a second once I pop the hood of this vehicle. So give me 1 minute. You guys bear with me 1 second. Under the hood, it looks pretty much original, but I replaced the entire motor with a brand new Crate 400 engine. I got a brand new air compressor on it for the AC. Yes, this car did come with AC from the factory. It came with all of the options. I'm gonna replace this dryer here. with the new updated dryer. This here's had the VR system on it, and the guy, he tried to put R12 on top of 134 and he messed the dryer up. I have an Ultima battery in it. As you can see, I like all the good stuff. And you can see a lot of compound between on the car motor and on the frame, because the car literally just got out the paint shop a few months ago. So I got to do a little more cleaning here, but I'm gonna get all of this stuff cleaned up, trust me. Here you will see the Sandman vents right here. I'm a Sandman junkie. He gets tired of me calling, but I love Sandman. And this is all Sandman parts right here. You can go on sandman.com and get the same parts that I have. And let me show you guys this trunk here. Everything is pretty much original. You can eat out the floor of the car. The car was clean when I actually got it, but I did it over to my liking. All right. Pretty much here, everything is good and solid. You got the original jack, the old trimming where I replaced under hood with the Sandman parts. Built the original jack, the original flooring. As you can see, them floors rock solid, no rust. And the key thing about the 75 is, if you know you got one with all the options, you will see the bumper guards all the way around it. This one here got all the options. Now these pipes, they have to go. I don't like that. That's what the guy had on the car before I got it. So they count on here, but I'm gonna get them cut off eventually. What do you prefer? The top up on the car or the top down? Me, it's hot in Mississippi, so during the day, I want that top up and that AC on. That's how I wanna ride. But in the cool, to get in the evening, and you can't beat that top down with the windows up. And just look at it, man. This is beautiful. This is a work of art. This is my dream car. I think this is one of the best big body Chevrolets that was ever made. Let's look at the body line. This is neat. Everything is great. Shout out to my painter, Candy_Randy. He did an awesome job on painting the car, as you can see. That's Candy Randy. And nothing is missing. I have all the trimming on this vehicle, all the weather stripping. You name it, it's got it. So, what do you guys prefer? Now I'm finna let the top up and you guys tell me what's different. What would you prefer? Top up or top down? The car says it has 80,000 miles, but of course I have replaced it with a new motor. And I'm gonna replace this dash. It's nice and cool, but it's not like that Dakota Digital. I'm gonna get that RTX dash and put up in here and put in the car. I also replaced this new dash right here. I'm getting the kick panels and the music and everything started, as you can see here. There go one of the kick panels right there that I put in. So I've got to do a lot of cleaning up, but so far so good. It's looking pretty good. Everything is all original. A Chevrolet convertible Donk, would you rather ride with the top up and the air on, or would you rather ride with the top down and the windows up? Let me know in the comment section. Me, it's kind of in the midst between. Like I say, it's nothing like having an old school car and having that air on and ride listening to good music. Look how beautiful she is. That black being just right. It's shining, doing what it's supposed to do. You don't see no runs, no bubbles. Everything is how it's supposed to be. And me, everybody asks me, the key question is, man, when is you gonna put rims on it? Why you won't put no 4G autos or Corleones on it? Nothing against the guys with the wheels on it, but to me, simplicity kills. The 4Gs, they're a good look on cars, but I like mine to look out the assembly line like it was from the factory. I can insure my car for whatever without the wheels on it, and it's gonna be worth this day and night. I've had some offers, but I don't think I'm gonna sell it because this is truly my baby. It's a dream come true and something I always wanted since a kid. You know, growing up, you seen all the OGs and the people with money, all the guys with money. This is what they had. They had convertible Caprices. And now I'm up in age and I was able to buy my own. It's just a blessing to have something as beautiful as this. So me, it's hard to beat that old school look with just some Vogues and the wire hubcaps. Nothing against the guys, the wheels, they look good, but here in Mississippi with the potholes, you drive on one street, the rim gonna be cracked. So I think I'm gonna stick to my hubcaps and Vogues.